y'all, it's boy Joe. Welcome back to Anomalous Collection. Today we're doing Cup of Coral. Cup of Coral. That is just straight orange. That is straight orange. Why? Oh, it's jagged, salty, like swallowing shards of forgotten time. There's a heaviness, a pull like I'm sinking, roots angering, skin hardening, the world fading above. Every thought fractures, splinters, as if I'm becoming the reef, lost to the tide, waiting for the sea to take me. Interesting. And I thought I could get away from the cup of avocado. I can't escape this. Are you absolutely kidding me? That is a coral bikini. Oh, you've got to be kidding me. Stop putting your finger in your mouth. Oh, come on. I'm already taken. Alright, that is the cup of coral. If you enjoyed this episode, please stay tuned for the next video. Bye-bye.